So you go out to the park and you see these orange lights. Even the park rangers sometimes have these orange lights. And then you see the beautiful color of the sunset. These things are connected to you as a highly spiritual person, as a chosen one. Once human nature itself is connecting with you, then they are not like us. Once human nature is connecting with you, then you are a special somebody known as a chosen one, as a highly spiritual person. You can see that human nature connects with chosen ones. There may be, as I'm speaking, I don't know if you guys listen. I should say it after the noise is gone. It's a monitor plane. I'm used to those monitor planes. But getting back on topic, there's so many examples on how nature connects with chosen ones, highly spiritual people. You may be just sitting down and there's just this cloud formation. There's just this something natural going on in the sky. And if it's not something natural, then it's going to be these people. You get to find out that if you sit down, go to the park and sit down, and you're having a very good time, your mind isn't worried about anything. This is all you can ever ask for as a chosen one and a highly spiritual person. Once this happens, once you go to the park and you're just sitting, now, it's not every time you go to the park you're successful at this, but it's going to be that day when it's just the perfect day and you're just sitting down. You get to find out that you're going to see a chemtrail right above your head. They're going to be leaving a chemtrail streak right above your head. That's indicating something.